Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. In this video I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a long time. It's going to be an unboxing. I did actually get two packages. Took a long time for me to carry these from the pickup place, but I did eventually get them. I'm gonna start off with the little one first. I already know what these are. These are hot sauces that I've ordered from Heatonist. I don't want to give out my address because I know that one person wants it. So two of the same kind. Classic Fresno edition. And if you want to know classic Fresno. And so here's the huge package. It's probably too big for me to show, but I'm gonna this package were quite heavy. Sorry for... Whoa. It is a huge scramble. This is Danny Wood's jalapeno cilantro sauce. Tears of the Sun. It's going to take a long time for me to unpack since there's quite a few of them. The classic chili maple. Another classic chili maple. I think I'm gonna save that one for a present. the Boloco Island wings. Cosmic dumpling. So this is going to probably take a long time. Sichuan ghost pepper sauce. Hellfire cranked. Cosmic disco. Oh, that was another. Lucky Dog Chrome. Ordinary Classic. Black Garlic Carolina Reaper. Which one is this? Heatonist number 7. Cedar smoked garlic. Minas bra. Psycho hot sauce. Burns and McCoy mescaline. High desert thick hot masala. Another classic, which I'm also gonna give away. If you want to see it. pocket butts, extra mean and green. I must admit, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. Clark Hopkins in Calabria. Shaquanda's West Indian Curry. Pico Rico. And a Los Calientes, so now I have three of them, 3 different kinds. And the last one, the ginger goat. So that's a lot of hot sauces. And if you're a huge fan of hot sauces, you can comment below what you think. Have you tried these? And what do you think? Now I'm gonna just remove all of the packaging. So yeah, comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.